parking brake flat. First, you should collect the cable. This 220 live line and low line and the key live line. Air compressor. And here the joint, the cable joint for the conveyor. We should move this conveyor very slowly. We move and separate the packet. We will separate this board. We will separate the board and you should assemble back the board. And also we will move this. We will lose this one and lose that one for assembly. So you should assemble back. And here, assemble back. Here is number 4. And here's number 1. And after collect the hair, you should also collect the cable. That's the cable. That's the cable for this one. Oh, of course. And there is a pipe. Air pipe. We will lose. And also the serial motor. The serial motor you should joint. There's a joint. See here. Serial motor joint. Video assemble back. These two cables. Assemble back. And while you assemble the packing machine for the cup conveyor, you need to separate. You need new space. From the sensor detects. To here is about 350 to let's see the red one. The red to this one is about 350. The length 350. And this one is cup 4. And this one is cup 1. This one 4 ounce, this one 8 ounce, number 1. And we will also lose this one. Lose this board and board. For the packing, you should assemble back. Assemble back the 4 boards. Of course, another side. And so the back cup. You see, cup 1, and cup 4. Cup 4 is working. So this 2 is working. You see, cup 1 is working. No, cup 1 is working. Left cup 1 and the right cup 1 is working. So see, left cup 2. And for the main page, you can see number 1 and the number 4 is working. And when I select when I assemble back and here, you see, here is the trick assemble on this one. Here is not moving. And here, while you drop the cups, should almost in the center. Almost in the center and to this side. Not to this side too much. Almost here. Maybe space like this. And also here. Here. This is the sensor detects the tiles and push to start and here voltage and feed to the conveyor. Here voltage and feed to the conveyor. This sensor detect the top tiles and then here feed to this one. And here also you need the hose, very simple hose, a simple board on this one. And here, this sensor detects the piles coming, and then the packing machine working and feed. And here is a sensor for the silver motor origin feed conveyor silver sensor for the fork 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, here's the plate to the machine, and of course here you need the pipe, the collector. You need to clear the pipe. Look, here, filter. You should clear the pipe, filter, and also here, clear the pipe. This one is number 8, and the electric, the collector electric, you should put on the foot and collect the machine upside. Machine up,